New attend an urgent discussion to fulfill an urgent need for peace.
Milwaukee leaders meeting tonight over how to stem the surge in gun violence in our city. Stephanie Haynes shows us the plan.
Leaders are doubling down on being more proactive, trying to get resources to people long before their paths may cross with violence and trying to prevent it from ever happening.
The young people that spoke today spoke about resources, spoke about services. They spoke in a hopeful way, and they spoke a lot more about what the community needs rather than what the community is suffering from.
Milwaukee County Health and Human Services Deputy Director David Muhammad led the meeting. It was held partly in response to several teens shot last week, including 17-year-old Roy Thomas, who was killed in Sherman Park.
These are not statistics and dots on a map. These are people, these are family members, these are young people in the community, and these are people whose lives they matter.
According to Milwaukee police, there have been 46 homicides so far this year, compared to 45 at this time last year, and more than 200 non-fatal shootings compared to 123 at this time in 2020.
It does mean that we can't work as systems have worked in the past. It means we have to come out of buildings and go into neighborhoods and meet people where they are and identify need and walk alongside them in the way they need us to.
Muhammad says his office has put a lot of work into housing stability, and they are working on a continuum of care to keep young people out of the justice system. He also says people say they want more healing work and mental health services. Don Barnett at youth organization Running Rebels echoes that.
Saying, hey, maybe we need to pay attention to that, intervene, and really help to make sure there's a peaceful solution to this. Because, you know, in many of the incidents, it was involving, people who just had conflict. We have to handle our conflict in a different way.
She points out this is not a new issue to Milwaukee, but she does sense a renewed sense of urgency and hope. And she wants the community to remember this message.
Don't lose faith in the good work that is being done, because there's a lot of it in the city of Milwaukee.
David Muhammad says the county will make a big announcement in Sherman Park next week. In Milwaukee, Stephanie Haynes, TMJ4 News.